Quote, follow-up almost always fails in the same specific way, and it is worth understanding before you try to fix it. Follow-up usually lives in someone's memory rather than in a process. That works fine in a quiet week. The trouble is that quiet weeks have fewer quotes out, and busy weeks have the most. So your follow-up is weakest exactly when there is most to lose. Start by finding the actual number. Take last month's quotes and count how many got a second contact of any kind. Most businesses are surprised, and usually not pleasantly. Then look at why. Is there an agreed time frame for the first follow-up? Is there a named owner written down? Does anything tell that person a quote has gone quiet, or do they have to notice? Fix the ownership and the trigger before you look at any tool. A tool that automates an undefined process will just make the gap harder to see, because now there is a dashboard telling you everything is fine. Write the time frame down, name the person, and build something that flags silence automatically. Book your free AI business audit.